What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Fondue Life, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a Patka. To tie a Patka, you just need a Patka just like this, any color if you want, and you need to find a non-stitched side. Look, this is like non-stitched, but this side is stitched. So you take the non-stitched side, just like that, and you put it on your back, on your neck, and then you pull it up just like this, and then you put it on your forehead just like that, and then you pull these two things back just like that. When that is done, you can tighten them with a simple knot. So the knot should be like a really simple knot that you do like every day. So just like this, simple knot, and then you have to tie a knot on top of that so it is like really tight and doesn't lose off. When you tie that knot, do it like super tight. When you're done doing that, you see these two wings, you pull them back. You pull this one too, and then you see these sides over here, wrinkly ones. First you pull this one, then you pull this one. Okay, after you have done this, you see this on your back, and there's going to be this. Hold it from over here, and then you'll find one of these like things. You put it inside over here, and then you close this thing off just like this. Yep, just like that. You close it off, and then whether you see this or it's plain, if you see this, you just gotta put it in this thing, and if you don't see it, it's okay. If you don't see it, it means like it's really good. You can put this in your mouth if you want. You do the same thing to the other side. Put it in and close it off. And then put it on your right side. After that, you gotta do super tight knot on the back, just like this. And then another knot on the back, so it's like really tight. And then you put it like in one of these holes that you will find on your back of the Patka. After that, if you guys have a salai, if you guys don't know what a salai is, it looks like this. Yeah, that's a salai, and you can put your hairs in from this, so it will look much nicer. Yep, just like that. Be careful because it will sting if you put this thing in your eye. Yeah. Okay, so you look like this when you tie Patka, and please subscribe to Ishdeep Fondue Life. Stay tuned.